Charan! High heels here, guys. Ayan, ang tagal na nitong nakatago, guys. Hindi ko siya nasusuot, kaya naman ngayon isusuot natin siya, guys. Irarampa ko siya, guys, kasi hindi ko na siya nagagamit. Nasisira lang siya, guys. Nagbabakbak na. Ang tagal-tagal na nito, guys. Kaya naman isuot natin. Isuot natin siya, guys. Ayan, oh, ang ganda-ganda nitong aking high heels na to, guys. Ayan. Ayan po, isa to sa aking ginagamit guys pag may mga party-party. Kaya lang for now guys, wala tayong party. Wala tayong party inatenan guys.
Oh
My swimsuit
no!
spot today.
Wow!
Ayan, feeling model na lang ako guys. I really love it. I really love it guys. Back, 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 back. Oh, guys, my fashion for today. Back. Ayan guys, with heels yan guys. Ayan, ano diba? Ayan. Pack na pack. I really love it. My fashion for today. Ayan guys, yung ating heels na napakataas. Oh. I really love it. Pack. Feeling model na naman ako guys. Oh. Pack na pack yan. I really love it. Alam nyo ba guys kung magkano lang to aking swimsuits for today? Ayan, for only 250 pesos guys. I really love it. Ayan, kailangan ko lang ma-flat yung aking tummy guys. Ayan. And then, sasabak na ako sa aking pagiging model guys. Fashion, fashion. Ayan. Because I really love fashion guys. Tcharan! O diba? Pack na pack yan. Pack. Pack, 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 pack. O, diba guys? I really love it. Pack, pack. O, diba? Guys, flexing my swimsuits for today. And guys, yung ating heels. I really love the heels, guys. Ayan. I really love it. Pack na pack yan siya, guys. My swimsuits for today. Pack. Ayan, feeling model na naman ako, guys. I really love it. I really love it, guys. Back, 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 back. I really love it. Ayan, guys, yung ating heels. Ayan, yung aking pangmalakasang heels, guys. I really love it. Pack na pack. Ayan, guys. Ayan, dahil feeling model na naman ako. Ayan, rampa muna tayo, guys.